Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Capital One, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Capital One login in Google. And now once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on screen where you need to tap on that link, and you'll be redirected to the official login page of the Capital One's on the screen, where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign in, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. And you can also see right above the sign in button there is a remember me. So if you want to save your credentials, then simply check mark this one, and yeah, you will be able to save your credentials in this browser successfully. And just down below of it, you will be able to see forget username or password. So by chance if you have forgotten your username or password, then simply tap on that option, and you will be redirected to the another page where you need to complete few more formalities. And once you verify yourself, you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Capital One. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.